Columbus, Ohio. This is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over a funding option if you're a fairly new business or established business, been in business for at least 6 months, and have revenue that you can show for the last 90 days or so of at least $2,500 or more in gross revenue, then you may qualify for this loan. GetLoot offers a couple different options. It's like a merchant cash advance, but flexible terms. The other business credit product that they offer is a business line of credit. So the business line of credit is a longer repayment terms, more like a term loan. So if this is your first time tuning in, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I'm sure some of my subscribers have already seen videos where I've reviewed Loot in the past. In fact, my one-on-one business credit mentorship students, in the past year, this is basically up to July. So I've shown this in the past before. It's basically from April 1st until I believe, September. So 3 or 4 months. And the total was just under 800,000 that either my one-on-one business credit mentorship students applied and got approved for, or some of you viewers or subscribers. For privacy reasons, I covered the business name, as you can see here, but it ranges from 5,000, 18,000, 44,000, 7,000, 58,000, and so forth and so on. I believe about 70,000 is the highest that I've seen approved through Loot. Now it shows here 6 deals funded. That's just the recent ones. And this is just a screenshot I wanted to show you guys. But if we jump back over here, if you're a small business owner and looking for funding, then Loot might be a good opportunity for you to apply for a couple different reasons. There's no hard pull on your personal credit. It's not going to affect your personal score. Now they say that they give up to 250,000. However, like I said, I haven't seen that high. Their ideal target, I would say, clientele is under 100,000 or so. Now, if we scroll down here, you can see they have revenue-based funding, unlock 250,000 instant cash flow with your convenience and flexible revenue-based financing. Now, revenue-based financing is, say they approve you for, let's just say, 25,000. If you accept that offer, take the 25,000, then the repayment terms are going to be like a weekly draw. It's not going to be like a daily draw like some of these other merchant cash advances are, where they take every single day and you really are drowned and can't get ahead. So with this one, it's a weekly repayment. Every week they're going to draw a certain amount, and it's going to be more for short term. So don't look at this for a very long term, because this is not a good solution if you're looking for, say, a 12 or 24 month term loan. This is not a good option. However, they do have the line of credit, and that might be more suited for you. Worst case scenario, you can apply and they're going to offer you what they can offer you. So let's scroll down here. The next is their lines of credit. It says Express Entrance, but it is available now. It works just like a, say, business credit card or a personal credit card, similar to that. Whatever your limit is, whatever you use, you're going to pay that back, and you could carry the balance for obviously a fee. But I wanted to make this video short and express to you guys that if you're looking for business funding and you need a little bit of working capital, this might be beneficial to you to get you to that next step. The lowest compared to others. Business funding underwriters are going to require you to have at least $10,000 to $20,000 a month in gross revenue and 6 months of history to show that. However, GetLoot doesn't really require that. They're a lot more lenient. If they can't approve you, you're probably not going to be able to get approved anywhere. But you have nothing to lose. You can at least try. If you're just right under this month threshold in business, that's fine. You could still apply. It's not going to affect your personal credit whatsoever. You have nothing to lose, and they don't focus on your personal credit either. So you could have troubled personal credit or fair personal credit and still get approved based on your business credit. They're going to look at several different things. So you could be weak on the personal credit side, but then be strong on the business credit side and possibly be approved, or vice versa, or both of those not be good. You could show some gross deposits for 3 to 6 months and you'll be approved. So they're going to look at everything as a whole picture. I've literally seen some of my students be in the 500s and still get approved. So I'll go through this real quick. Back rewards. So on-time payments, you're going to get rewards for that. You can skip payments. If you pay on time, you're able to skip payments. You get discounts if you pay off early. So you have a good month and you want to pay off early, then you can get discounts on that. What do you need to qualify? As it says here, 6 months in business. And like I said, if you're only 5.5 months in business, you might still be able to get approved. $25,000 per year in annual sales. Revenue is an important part of their offer. So if you think about that, you don't need to show really 25,000. So if you've only been in business, say 6 months, show, say, for the last 3 to 4 months, 5,000, 22 or so, then you could still qualify. It just has to be the average. So you don't need to already be making 25,000 as a new business owner showing that. They're just looking at the gross average. No minimum FICO. Like I said, they're not going to do a hard pull on your personal credit, accept all types of credit. In fact, I've seen them actually deny those in 800 FICO, healthy gross revenue, just because it's not really their ideal target. They're not going to lend out 150, 200,000. They rather lend out 20,000, 10,000, 50,000 to small business owners than take one big high risk and a large sum like that. Anyways, like I said, you have nothing to lose. Just click on that button. The link will be in the description below and pinned on the comment. So you have nothing to lose. It's a quick, easy application. They'll get back to you within 24 hours and let you know if you qualify for something. All right. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care and stay tuned for the next videos. Bye-bye.